Hey Palawi Nation, it's me again, Auntie Palawi, ang pobreng laagan, and welcome back to another vlog. On to this vlog, guys, I'm gonna take you to another experience dito sa Australia, and this one is our winter season vlog.
Hi, I'm Jason. I'm expecting to have an amazing experience sa snowfall. Kana lang, and to have fun.
Hello everyone, I'm Jen and I'm expecting too much fun with this 3 days and 2 nights trip will pass.
Hi everyone, I'm Queena. I'm expecting to have more fun than previous snow trip.
So hi, I'm Lynn. Expectation is safe road, also more memories, more bond together. That's it.
My name is Nico, and my expectation for this trip is to experience the snowfall.
Hi, I'm Clarissa and I'm expecting to have more fun in this trip. Go, go, go! Hi, Dreamer!
Ayaw nila, guys. So, klanong luluto mo?
For today's video, magluluto tayo ng tinola.
Bakit masarap yung tinola mo, be?
May gayuma siya. Magic sarap.
Oh, diba? Tell me your Asian without telling me your Asian. Brisbane?
Team Brisbane nagkakurong.
Taga Brisbane ay. Yung mga taga Melbourne, oh. Wala lang. Chill lang, oh. Chill. Ay, taga Melbourne ka, taga Brisbane. Putos lagi kay ka. So, yep. We're preparing for our dinner, guys. Taray ba?
I like this one, oh. Kasi yung sa amin ba, ganun magkakamasin ka muna ba? Yung mga ligis na yung mabuti para manunuot ng lasa. Manuot ang lasa ng ating tinola.
Tinola.
It will absorb the spices. Okay na. Open na natin.
Let's eat, guys. Tinola ni Kla.
Kla for cooking.
So, hey guys, good morning. So, it's our day 2 in this beautiful place. Hapon pumunta tayo doon sa ating first snow experience sa The Horn, sa Mount Buffalo. So, today naman, pupunta tayo sa ating second destination, which is Falls Creek. But before that, we're gonna prepare our food, we're gonna take our breakfast, we're gonna spend the whole day sa second destination natin, and I'm gonna show you guys kung ano yung mga bagay-bagay na pwede nyong gawin doon sa Falls Creek. So tara, let's go! Sabay mong giluto, Lynn?
Flying tapa.
So we have hot dogs, guys, and tapa. Like tapa, and then rice.
Brad, pause na ang
Sunglasses, Brad.
Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go. So guys, nasa Falls Creek na tayo. And we're in limbo kasi napakamahal ng kanilang rental dito ng ski and stuff. So magsa-sightseeing na lang kami kasi hindi kaya ng budget. Unfortunately guys, walang snowfall today kasi bukas pa at saka early in the morning kanina daw ay mayroong snowfall. Pero tingnan natin bukas sa ating third destination, baka makapag-snowfall tayo. Hopefully. Last day na ng ating snow trip for this year. Pero before tayo uuwi, pupuntahan muna natin ang pinakahuling snow resort sa ating listahan. At take note, ito lang naman ang pinaka-binibisitang snow resort dito sa Victoria. Hindi lang mga lokal, pati na rin mga turista tuwing sasapit ang winter season. Ito ang Mount Hotham. Sabi nga nila, ang barkada ay parang snowfall because there is always beauty that lies within. Masasabi kong isa ito sa best experience ko dito sa Australia. Hindi dahil sa mapuputing snow ng Mount Hotham at Falls Creek or di kaya ang breathtaking view ng The Horn, but because I was able to make memories with the people na una pa lang ay nakasama ko na through the toughest time of my life here in Australia. Grabe yung saya. Sa road trip pa lang, may kantahan, tawanan, at syempre, food trip habang nasa biyahe. Pagdating sa bundok, para kaming mga batang first time nakakita ng snow. Nag-snowball fight, nag-slide sa snow, at syempre, ang walang kamatayang photo ops. May mga times na tahimik lang. Mainit na kape, sabayan ng pagmumuni-muni sa napakaputing snow sa paligid. Pero alam mo ba yung pinaka-memorable? Yung bonding. Yung simpleng kulitan, yung simpleng asaran, yung pakiramdam na kahit nag-yelo ka na, basta kasama mo sila, ang init at walang boring moments pa rin yung trip. Kaya kung may chance kayo, go on a snow trip with your friends. Dahil hindi lang memories ang inyong mabubuo, kundi moments na pwede nyong balik-balikan sa panghabang buhay. And this ends our vlog for today. And if you like this kind of vlog, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing by clicking the red subscribe button and the bell next to it para ma-update ka sa mga vlogs kagaya nito. It's me again, Antoy Palabo, yung pobreng lagan, saying explore because life is too short and be a responsible lagan. Till next time, I'll see you on the next one.